readjusting.
So you removed the whole belt.
Pere, you came to me like you're trying to intimidate me. Pere, that was not readjusting.
That was
you literally came to me like you're bending your face.
Why would I hit him?
See, you came to me like you're trying to intimidate me. Pere, I'm the street boy. Pere, I'm the street boy. I know so you don't like me.
Pere, wait, was intimidating.
You don't like me, Pere, from day one. I know you don't like me.
Intimidating.
Pere, I want to come at me. No, come at me as a man.
Now, why are you pushing me?
Pere, I'm the boy. I'm the street boy.
An explosive charade role. Big Brother Naija Season 6 Shine Your Eye housemate Pere and White Money had a major altercation in the house not long after a playful game in the house. Cross was the chair of the house games, introduced a new game called Whispers. The way the game is played is that a participant, let's say A, will whisper a question concerning a participant, let's say C, in the ear of another participant, let's say B. B will move to the participant C who the question is about and ask him or her another question, and so on. If any participant in the game wants to know what the question was about, then the person will drink and the participant will tell him or her what the question was. The only person who won't be informed about the question is the person the question is about. During the game, a question was asked about Pere and he was called up to ask another question. But he insisted that he wants to know the question asked about him. When he was insisting, the chair of the game had to stop the game.
What happened? I can't tell what you asked. I'm not saying that. You're insane right now. You don't know. You don't see that. Why am I looking at my face? What do you have? What did you ask, bro? I asked Angel. It was me that asked the question that Emmanuel asked. You asked Angel the what? What did you ask? I didn't ask any question.
The thread of the question about Pere had Maria, Emmanuel, Angel, White Money involved before he got to him. Pere was not satisfied with not knowing the question, so he confronted White Money, who he thought had asked the question about him. White Money was insistent, and this spiraled into a major conflict in the house.
Pere, what do you do like this?
Pere, no, Pere. Okay, actually, do you know what? Actually, do you know what? Do you know what? No. Could you come here, please?
No, see.
No, seriously. No. Wait for a second. I'm really sorry. You were completely disrespectful, but why would you remove your belt in front of him? He wasn't even asked the question for you.
I was
No, Pere, respect people, please. I'm begging you in God's name.
I was readjusting.